Hello everyone, it's your girl Flossie and I'm back again with this classic jollof rice. So I dished it out into two. I have this classic jollof rice and I have the traditional jollof rice that we all know. This was pretty easy to make because I already had my stew base in the fridge. So I just grabbed it and went straight to work. So I actually got this idea from Kwanchua. She makes really good and amazing dishes. She used curried rice, but I decided to use jollof rice. So with my stew base already prepared, I just put my rice in and I have my jollof rice right here, a pot full. The kids do not really love vegetable jollof rice, so this would be for the older adults. So in my wok, I'm adding about 2 tablespoonful of avocado oil. You can use vegetable oil, you can use canola oil. It just depends on what oil you have at home. Now I'm adding my shrimps, which have been cleaned, peeled, and deveined. I'll then add a little bit of salt. In here I have some fresh parsley flakes. And I'll mix it all in. So I'll cook it for about 6 minutes. And since it's all done, I'll take it out of the wok because I need my wok for something else, for my eggs. So I used 4 large eggs. And I'll cook it in the oil that was remaining. Mix it all together and now I want a scrambled egg. Okay, since the eggs are done, I put another 2 tablespoonful of oil in my wok. And I'll be adding my vegetables. So here I have all colors of the bell peppers. I have the red, the green, the yellow, and the orange, and I have some finely chopped red onions. I used half of a large onion. I'll be adding some parsley to my vegetables, and so I'll be using my herb meal, and this will flake the parsley. And I really enjoy doing this, kind of using all the manpower. Mix it all in, and the aroma is crowd pleasing. I'm adding some carrots as well. So here the thing is, you can use whatever vegetable you have, whatever you feel you can eat. Okay, the smell is everything. Okay, so now I dished out a little bit of the jollof and I'll be adding it to my vegetables. This is why I call it classic I didn't cook the vegetables with it. It was after, kind of like, fried rice kind of style. That's what we're doing. Gonna add all my shrimps and my eggs, and I'll mix it all in. I wish you were here to taste this. Whew. I'll add my scallions and my green onions, and this adds so much flavor to it. So much. I just didn't add enough, but this adds a lot of flavor to your food. Mix it all together. So because the jollof was already cooked and these vegetables, we want it crunchy, my classic jollof rice is ready. Just trying to mix it all in, and we are ready to serve it. I hope you make this special classic rice during a festive season. If it's, Christmas is coming, if you hosting, I hope you give this a try. This is amazingly delicious. Trust me, I was eating it while I was going on. It was so good. And so the good thing about it is I have my traditional jollof rice without vegetables, and I have my jollof with vegetables. You see, whichever one you want, just go ahead and eat. I hope you did really enjoy this video. Like I said, I got the idea from Kwanchua. She has a YouTube channel and she's very good at what she does. If you did enjoy this video, give your girl a thumbs up. I hope you like, I hope you subscribe, and I hope you share this video. Until my next one, I hope you love God, I hope you love people, and I hope you stay graced up. Share your comments down below, and thank you all for subscribing. Bye-bye.